Hi, I'm Stephanie from Salt Security. As the industry leader, we are committed to sharing our unique insight and research towards helping the market get even smarter about API security. Twice a year, Salt Labs, the industry's only fully dedicated API security research team, releases a State of API Security report. This report includes a detailed analysis of all of the attack attempts against our customers that we, of course, help to prevent. It also combines this empirical data with survey responses from hundreds of security and development practitioners and leaders. This year, we decided to try something new and create industry-specific versions of the full report. I wanted to share some highlights from the Financial Services and Insurance report to help uncover some of the unique concerns and priorities of this industry. API attacks are on the rise. Salt Labs noted a 244% increase in unique attackers attempting malicious activity against our financial and insurance customers between the first and second halves of 2022. This was the first time that Salt has shared this level of information. But given this dramatic increase, we felt that it was necessary to alert the industry that attackers are actively targeting these APIs. Also interesting was that 84% of these attacks came from authenticated users who appeared legitimate but were actually attackers. Financial services and insurance companies are facing significant API security challenges. 92% of respondents say that they have experienced at least one major security challenge with their production APIs over the past year. A shocking 27% admit that they have dealt with sensitive data exposure, and 17% have dealt with a security breach. These types of events typically lead to significant costs and reputational damage, and they're happening far too frequently. Given these serious issues, most financial and insurance organizations are fully aware that their API security programs are still somewhat immature and are failing to meet their needs. Only 13% of respondents say that their API security programs are advanced. On the flip side, 28%, all of whom have APIs running in production today, say that they are in early planning stages and have no current API security program in place today. It's not surprising that 71% recognize that their API security programs aren't very effective in preventing API attacks. With reliance on APIs at an all-time high and critical business outcomes on the line, now is the time for these organizations to harden their API security programs. API security has emerged as a significant business issue in the financial services and insurance industries. 69% of respondents say that they have experienced application rollout delays due to API security issues, and this is 11% higher than the full report, which included all industries. And 56% say that API security has become a C-level discussion. And therefore, it stands to reason that 76% of CISOs say that they plan to prioritize API security throughout the next 2 years. These were just a handful of the findings from our recent State of API Security report for financial services and insurance companies. Please visit salt.security to download the full report and see how your organization compares to others in the industry.